Unboxing Platinum.
This is Unboxing Platinum. So let's see what's inside. So, first off, we have the tripod, obviously, and the
Mega. What's that? Maybe a handle.
yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
And then
Let's take everything out.
yeah, that's everything. And then that's booklet, quick setup guide.
Open it. Make it stand. Yay. Okay. And try to see, yeah, open that. See what's that. Is that a, oh, that's a handle. Yeah, perfect. Find a way to put somewhere.
Oh.
No. It should be somewhere. Oh well, we'll read the instruction later. Come on.
Ah!
Find it? Oh, find it. Very nice.
That's it.
Cool. All done. So what's that? There's a bag. Carry-on bag.
Yes.
A carry bag for the tripod. Perfect. That's it. That's all we got. Okay, let's show you some hand-on to the new tripod slash monopod. And what we mean by monopod is you can just basically take this out. There you go. And you put the camera right there and you just stay on the ground. It can go pretty high up. It can extend to really long. So it's more stable when you take videos, which is great. This is another good part about this pod is that it has this instant detach for the, so I can't do, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. It's the instant detach. Like this is where you put your camera or your video recorder so that you just attach it on. Twist this and it get back on there. Just like that. So that's pretty much the beautiful function of this thing. Looks quite sturdy. It can get really high up. So this is my old tripod, which got it for like probably over 10 years ago, about $10. So you can see the comparison. This is not even fully extended yet, so obviously the new one can extend a lot higher. And all this does is this. That's it. Nothing else. This twist and turn. But still, help me along the way. Thank you for watching, guys.